Hey there, it's Chris with Haven Lighting. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of the brass adjustable light uplight. This is 36 lights in one. It comes with 4 beam spreads and 3 brightness levels and 3 colors of white from 2700K, 3000K, and 4000K. So very versatile light. First out of the box is the instruction card. The most important thing on the instruction card is this QR code. You can scan it. It'll take you to a page on our website that has all kinds of videos about the light. Any questions you would have about the light, just scan that card and it'll take you right there. Obviously, the most important part in the box is the light. So it's a solid brass construction light. Comes with a very hefty 8-inch stake. It's not one of those skinny stakes. It's a nice thick durable stake. You can unscrew the shade and take the cap off the light, and shipped with the light is a 45-degree spread lens. Also that comes with the light is a 60-degree, a 25-degree, and a 10-degree, so you have your option of spread right in the light. You can also adjust the color temperature of the light. Like I said, from 2700, 3000 to 4000. All you need to do is move this selection jumper on the color temperature. Same with the brightness. You can change brightness by the brightness selection jumper. Set it to your desired liking and put the lens back on and screw the top on. And you are all set. The light also, very important, comes with waterproof wire nuts. These are made by Haven. They're very high quality. We highly recommend using these over anything else that you would have. So these will protect the wire for a very, very long time. They are filled with dielectric grease and do a great job. So that's the unboxing video. If you have any questions, visit our website, havenlighting.com. Thanks so much.